English together.
Small talk with neighbors.
Good morning, John. How are you today?
Good morning, Maria. I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I did. It was quiet. What about you?
I slept okay, but my little boy woke up early.
Oh, I see. Children always have a lot of energy.
That's true. Are you going to work now?
Yes, I am. I start at 9 o'clock. And you?
I don't work today. I'm going to the supermarket.
That's nice. Do you need anything special?
Yes, I need bread, milk, and some fruit.
I also need bread. Maybe I will go to the shop after work.
The bakery on Main Street has very good bread.
Oh, thank you for telling me. I will try it.
You're welcome. By the way, did you see the new family in our building?
Yes, I saw them yesterday. They have a little girl.
Yes, I met them. They are very friendly.
That's nice. It's always good to have friendly neighbors.
I agree. Well, I should go now. Have a good day at work.
Thank you. See you later.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.